Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. This is the video. I'll show you how to design this L-shaped wardrobe cabinet. Okay, this is how it look like. Alright. Okay, now come here. Okay, select this wardrobe button. Okay, select this sliding door. Choose this one. Drag one here. Okay, and drag one another here. Okay, like this. Okay, this gap I set around 500. This gap I set around 600. Okay, look like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna add carcass. Okay, select this one, basic unit. Use this adjustable. Okay, weight it adjust. Okay, like this, auto adjust. Same for this. Okay. Okay. Now from here, I press B, board selection. Okay. Select this board, remove. This also remove. Select this board, plus 650. Okay, x-axis minus 650. Okay, I'll do same, apply for the rest. Okay, 650 minus 650. Okay, and I continue so on. Okay, for this side of cabinet, wardrobe. Okay, they look like this. Okay, next, delete this board. Same, delete this board. Okay, this board I plus 650 also. Okay, look like this. Okay, here top part I only press add 52. Okay, 54. Then this one I plus 42. Okay, this one I also plus 42. Maybe I minus 10. Minus 12. Okay, look like this. Okay. Okay, cancel B button. Okay, no more board selection. Okay, select my sliding door. Okay, right click a sliding door. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, choose next. This one I also choose same thing. Okay, same design like this. Okay, okay, press B button, select this board. Okay, change material. Select this glass material. Choose mirror, this one. Okay, go for my painter. Select all the board. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, this is the L-shaped wardrobe. Okay, hit like button and subscribe. Bye.